Eco.
Yeah.
PremiumBeat.com.
The box. Tour. Giving a tour. Let's get a tour of the shop.
Tour. This is where our metal rack is going.
Well, that's where the metal rack currently is, but we're going to put a bigger metal rack here because we're always getting more metal. The metal comes in here, we unload it from outside here, comes in, puts on the rack here.
Close to the saw for easy cutting.
And then it goes onto the saw. We have somebody on the saw cutting all the material, the sizes that Steph draws. There's our cutoff rack. This is where all the material drops go. That's our drop zone. We have air compressors in there. It's a punch press. This is
What year was that made?
it's like 50s. Punched a hole.
Came from England. Well, Wales.
No, I don't think so, actually. These are our workbenches. This is where our guys keep all their tools and goodies and all that. Then we have our fab tables. There's our assistant shop manager, Nick. He's making a set of doors right now. Chuck is over here on the left. He's drilling some holes for some stops in an aluminum door. Joe is drilling some stops for a door. Eric is drilling some stops for a door. Here's our welding machines, torches, all that good stuff. Drill press. That's a big welding machine. This is our favorite little saw. This is our hem saw. It's just a little utility saw. Just like the big saw, this miter's at 45 degrees. The lathe is a tool room lathe, probably made in the 60s, South Bend. Great little lathe. I made a lot of stuff with this thing.
This is our radio.
That's our radio with our
remote control.
performance desk, where we keep the markers. Beverly Shear. This was made in Chicago.
Oh,
Yep.
in Beverly?
Yep. This is made in Chicago on the south side. This thing will shear, maybe it's a B3. It's really good for sheet metal workers. You do curve, roller shear, so you can turn stuff when you're making it. It's pretty sweet.
That's cool.
It's amazing little tool. We don't utilize it.
No, we don't.
I utilize it when I build motorcycles, not as much anymore. Nice little Delta Rockwell drill press, DOALL vertical bandsaw. King of all kings, the Bridgeport milling machine. Right now it's set on a 45 degree angle. We were milling some brass tools. These are all machinist tools. We keep all the machinist tools and fixtures and stuff for the milling machine. So we keep our water jug. Great water jug.
I'm gonna stop for a little water break.
Take a sip. Come around this way. 72-inch shear. It'll do 10 gauge with these. This is 11 gauge diamond plate. No problem.
No problem.
Not even a problem. Press. Nice little hydraulic press. Don't use it a lot. I used it a lot when I was building motorcycles. We don't have to press a lot of stuff. Where was that made at? I wonder.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
That's cool.
Year. Great guy there. Chicago brake. Made in Chicago. Dries and crump. 8-foot 12 gauge.
Yeah.
Great apron brake. Roller. Diacro. Little guy. Rolling sheet metal. We don't use it too often. Where are these made? Lake City, Minnesota. Just another vintage piece. Come back out here. Smith. Finger brake. Or box and pan brake. You can make boxes and pans. Bend all four sides. Tubing bender. Pro Tools. bunch of dies over there.
We're gonna get a hydraulic.
We're gonna get the hydraulic lamp for it. Yeah. I'd like to get on it. We did 240 legs for cables with this thing. 1-inch brass tube, all by hand. And then this disc sander. Who made this disc sander? Love this thing. Great old disc sander. Great old.
I think it's from Wisconsin.
Wisco.
Oh no, Canadian.
Canadian?
It's Canadian.
You Canadian disc? Get out of here.
Oh no, it's a Canadian subsidiary in Wisconsin.
Oh, here we go.
Yates American Machine Company.
Yeah, Yates. I don't even know how old this guy is. This is an older one. Belt sander. I don't know. This is a big boy 80. You can tell by looking at it, it's made in China or something. It's called the Big Boy 80. It's brass stuff. Tubing roller, cheapo Harbor Freight on a cool old stand. Had the stand forever. The stand's way cooler than the actual cheapo.
Maybe we should put our good roller on the cool stand.
This old truck wheel. Cool history behind the guy I got that from. But that's another story. Then we have this guy. This is a new ShopItOutfitters.com roller. This is made, I think they're made in Colorado. Nice American-made tool. So then we got the big boy. This is the Heim.
Is it German?
I think it was made in Illinois. I think Heims are made in Illinois. This thing's probably from the 70s. It's
called a press brake.
This one is 100 tons by 10 feet long. I know I could do a full 10-foot piece of 18 gauge with it. This guy here is a wider die for doing like 8 inch by full sheet, 10-foot sheet you can bend. And then behind Steven here is some custom dies that we made for doing like wider radius areas. Here, spray booth. Big old spray booth I got from my good friend Andy. He got it out of a car dealership a long time ago. I helped him take it down, and we finally hooked it up or set it up this weekend. Right now, it's currently storing a few items until we get the exhaust run out the roof. But yeah, it'll be sweet to finally have that thing. Have a spray booth so we can spray our own stuff. We don't have to send it out all the time.
We're gonna paint this ladder, these stairs pink.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Paint them pink. Here's some storage racks for some materials. There's the guys' lockers right here. They could put their. I don't even know what they would bring. What would they bring to work? What are they
thinking?
Wow. The old Chanel number 19. A nice buffer.
That looks pretty old.
Oh, it's a right speed buffer, big 3-phase, 5-horse motor. Fucking ass kicker. Casey's kiln she got from Elliot on borrow.
It's on right now.
It's on right now. It's nice.
You feel it, yeah, it's warm over here.
Real nice and warm right here. Melted some brass. What else? There's a full. Let's go.
That's pretty much the whole
the
shop,
office.
right? Oh yeah, we haven't done the office tour yet.
Yeah, we haven't even made it up there yet. Hey guys, this is the office. Check out the office. Printer right here.
Canon Brixis.
Yep, here's the good old printer. Emily loves it. That's Emily. Everybody knows Emily. Good old Canon printer. What was this made?
Canon. I don't know, it's Japanese.
I wonder. Oh, the hammock.
The hammock.
Don't forget about the hammock. Alright, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed your stay. See you later.
We should have showed inside the refrigerator. See what's in there.
Oh, we could have went in the...
That's a classic crib.
Could have went in the...
Let's go see what's in the fridge.
Olive oil.
Olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette.